Therefore, the Galaxy Watch 6 range will be a significant boost. Samsung is bringing back rotating bezels with the Watch 6 Classic, as we knew a few months ago. The watch will come in two different versions. The Watch 6 Classic with a rotating bezel and the ordinary Watch 6 with a curved display similar to the previous Watch Active 2. Additionally, both Watch 6 lineups will have smaller bezels for a futuristic appearance. This innovative health function, which could help save countless lives, will now be available on the Galaxy Watch 6. You see, the modern smartwatch is a health guardian rather than just a piece of jewelry or a timepiece. It acts as a silent observer, informing us when we're either too busy or unprepared to notice any potential health warning signs. There are numerous examples of Apple Watches and Galaxy Watches saving lives by spotting significant medical issues that might have gone undiscovered for a very long time. Because the Galaxy Watch lacks it, atrial fibrillation is one of the instances where the Apple Watch just outperforms it. If you're unfamiliar with the term, atrial fibrillation is essentially a cardiac condition. It indicates that your heart's upper chamber isn't beating normally. When you don't have atrial fibrillation, your heart beats excessively quickly and irregularly compared to how it normally beats. Your heart may have a harder time pumping blood throughout your body as a result. In essence, heart failure or a stroke will result from an erratic heartbeat. When you consider that atrial fibrillation can also be asymptomatic or silent, meaning you may not be aware that something is wrong, having the capacity to detect it on a wristwatch will undoubtedly save your life. The Apple Watch already has this feature, but the Galaxy Watch does not. But that will finally change with the release of the Galaxy Watch 6, as Samsung has confirmed that the device recently received FDA clearance for notifications of irregular heartbeats that would constantly monitor for atrial fibrillation, which, as I've said, will be a life-saving feature. Since the sensors needed for this are already included into the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5, they will also gain the capability in a later update with One UI 5 watch. This time, the Galaxy Watch 6 range will also get a brand new, speedier chipset. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.